Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos. We are doing a what I eat in a day video, but this is a cheat day edition. No limits. I'm basically gonna eat whatever I want today, which is usually how it goes. I'm not really on any particular diet. I do have a lot more healthier days and I do have a lot of cheat days as well. I guess you can say I kind of watch what I eat because if I have fast food in the morning, I won't have it for the rest of the day. But like I said, I'm not really super strict on myself. Today, I'm going to bring you guys with me on one of those days where I'm eating just a little bit more crappy. So if you guys want to see what I ate in a day, cheat day edition, then just keep on watching. Hello. Can I get, I think it's the sausage egg McMuffin with cheese? The combo with an orange juice at ice.
What size?
Small. It's fine.
Do you want a couple bites on the side instead?
Yeah, that's fine. And then can I get an extra hash brown on the side?
Okay.
And a small French vanilla iced coffee. My stomach's gonna hate me after this. I really don't eat McDonald's like that. I really don't. And every time that I eat it, my stomach is just all over the place. But it was here. I'm hungry and I just wanted something quick. And if we're gonna be doing a cheat day video, I feel like McDonald's is kind of the way to go now. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I don't even know when was the last time I had McDonald's. And then we got some coffee right here. Your girl needs options. 1 hash brown, 2 hash browns. Hi, can I get a bacon cheeseburger with no onions, no tomato, no lettuce?
The combo?
Yes. Can I add
only dressing, right?
Yes. Can I add avocado to that as well? That'll be it. Can I also add 2 ranches to that?
How many?
2?
Thank you.
For lunch, we ended up going to a local burger joint called Tam's, and we got some burgers, some fries with a Coke. I ended up getting a bacon avocado cheeseburger, plain with only dressing, and then fries and a Coke. Even for me to get Coke, I hardly ever drink soda, so that's how you know I was really just, like, it was a full-on cheat day for me because I really hardly drink soda. We did end up sharing fries, but I did finish my burger completely. But we're not done there. For dinner, I ended up eating a pizza. I ate 4 slices of pizza, and this is the Red Baron pizza. I think this is the best frozen pizza there is. I just think this pizza is so good. I think there's too much pepperoni on it, so I take off a few pepperonis and then I throw it in the oven. You can throw it like that or you can put it on a pan. It's up to you. But I put it in there for 18 minutes, let it get a little bit crispy, cut it up, and I got my first 2 slices and I was still a little bit hungry, so I went back for another 2 later on. I did eat my pizza with a little bit of ranch. I love eating my pizza with ranch. I don't know what it is. And then to drink, I had a water with a Crystal Light. And of course, we had to have some dessert sometime throughout the day. So I decided to have some ice cream at the end of my day. And this was a new one that I tried. I think it's the Dreyer's cookie dough ice cream. that's everything I ate today for my cheat day. I know. But let me know if you enjoyed watching this video by giving it a thumbs up. And in the comments, let me know what other what I eat in a day videos you would like for me to do. I do have a Mexican food edition one that I want to film, so that should be coming up soon as well. And if you guys are into the mukbang or mukbang videos, I can do something like that too, where I just sit down, maybe do a Q&A while I'm eating and chatting with you guys. But I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in. I know some people like them, some people don't. So let me know also in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video.